So again, I'll be facing on my left. So first, you have to make sure that your core is tight, back straight. So let's do it one at a time. So you have to forward lunge or diagonally lunge. As you do, your left arm or left palm should be aligned with your foot. And then you have to make sure that the left leg is extended. And then your elbow, right elbow, should be touching your right toe. Now, while in this position, you have to make sure that your core is still tight, the legs are still straight or extended. This exercise will definitely strengthen your groin. So you have to keep this position for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, and as you move up, just the same position as we started. Up, and there we go. So I'm going to do it on my left leg. Don't forget to breathe. And up. Alright, so that's how we should do the proper elbow to instep exercise.